Hi, this is Jen at Cherry Tree Beads, and today I'm going to show you how to make these hoop and triangle earrings. We offer kits for making these earrings at cherrytreebeads.com, and the kits include all the items that you see here. We have two 30mm hoops, handmade ear wires that are made in Western North Carolina by Annette Holbert, 4mm jump rings, and the triangle sky blue topaz bezels. The kit includes all these things, and the only other thing that you'll need are the pliers. Today I'm going to be using two chain nose pliers. I think these are the easiest for manipulating the jump rings, but you're welcome to use whatever pliers you have around. So to make our earrings, we're going to start out with the jump ring. We're going to find where the jump ring is split, and we're going to put our pliers to one side of that split, and then we're going to take our other pliers to the other side of the split, and we're gonna just gently twist in either direction so that it opens up our jump ring. We only wanna open it up enough to where we can put the hoop and the bezel on there. And then once you have both things on there, you just wanna take your pliers back from the other side, and you just wanna gently put those two together. Now that you've attached your drop, you just wanna attach your ear wire. We're going to take the ear wire and we're going to open it up and twist it to the side. Then we're going to put our hoop on, and then we're going to twist it back in place. And you've got one earring made. Just do the same thing with the other side and you will have a beautiful pair of earrings ready to go. Thanks so much. You can find the kits at cherrytreebeads.com.